Hello, scrapbookers. This is Megan, and I am back today with a new process video for you that is a pocket page. So for this one, I am going to be using the July and August kit from scrapbookingstore.com. It is a kit club, and if you didn't know, I am on their design team. So here you can see, I think these cards were from the July kit is what I want to say. So I did kind of get to the end of both of my July and August kits, and I decided to put them all together because a lot of the pieces were just scraps. And so that's what I'm going to do on this pocket page, is put a ton of scraps together. So I have some 3x4 cards and 4x6 cards that are already cut down from the cut apart pages. And so I am just slowly but surely cutting them and figuring out where I want each of them to go. So this video was recorded at Hannah's house, so again, it does look quite a bit different than my own space, but that's okay, right? Here I found this cute little, what is that? Bubble, speech bubble, that's what it's called. And it was too big to go on that photo, but I really liked the sentiment. It says sweet, and I thought this was a super cute and sweet photo of Brennan and I kind of like cuddling and playing with the dogs on the couch one morning. And funny note, I am actually wearing those workout pants right now that I'm wearing in that photo. That's funny. I have taken to wearing leggings and workout pants when I am home because they are just way too comfy, and when I'm home, I want to be comfy, right? So here's another 3x4 card that I am going to glue this photo down on, and that one is actually not going to stay in that spot. I think I'm going to move these 4 middle photos around. And I think I'm actually going to move all of the photos around. This is not how it turns out or how it looks, so you'll kind of see that as I go on. Now I am going to work on this little 4x6 card up there that has Piper crushing me. It's really funny. When we first got her, she wanted to be by us at all times, especially me. And so if I was sitting on the couch, she would come up and just like lay on top of me and crush me. And she's only, I think, 40-ish pounds, but she is strong. Let me tell you that. So it was kind of like, oh my gosh, she's killing me. That was kind of my face in that photo. And Brennan was just kind of laughing. So I thought that was funny. So I just journal about how Piper was crushing me. Okay, now I think I'm done with that card, and I'm going to move on to this one with the dogs. And the top photo is just them chilling, hanging out in the house, and then the bottom one is Piper and I on a walk. And I'm just going to do some simple layering. This pocket page really isn't anything special. It's just a bunch of photos and scraps of paper, and I mean, it turns out okay. It's not my favorite page though, but I do like that I got these memories scrapped. And I'm going to use that Rick Rack ribbon that's from the August kit, and it was in the upgrades. Oh, maybe I'm not going to use it. I thought I did use it. I don't know. I'm going to put the date on here of these photos, and I think I'm done with that card. Now I'm going to make another card from scraps. So I'm just cutting them to be the right size, and then I will put them together on that bottom right hand pocket. Oh, maybe I don't use the scraps. I thought I used scraps. I have already put all of these layouts away, and I really shouldn't have, but I was doing a bunch of Into the Album series videos, and so I just ended up putting them all away. So I don't quite remember how I do things, but that's okay, right? So I'm going to stamp the date on a bunch of these photos. These were all, I believe, taken in August of 2017. And then I'm going to start gluing everything down on these last two 4x6 pocket cards that I need to glue everything down to. And yeah, then I'm going to be done. So very simple pocket page. If you're not a member of the scrapbookingstore.com kit club, you need to be, because it's an awesome kit club. I will leave links below so that if you want to subscribe, you can to the kit club. We'd love to have you. It's a great group of ladies. We have a Facebook group, and also one design team member does a live scrappy Facebook session every month, and that is super fun. I really love doing that. I did one recently. I think it was a few months. I want to say it was May that I did one. That was the last one I did. And then I did one back in November last year. So yeah, I have almost been on the design team for a whole year. I can't believe it. It's so exciting. So here I just have this simple little card of Piper looking out the window, and it's funny, we call her our little cat sometimes because the things and mannerisms that she has and does are just so cat-like. It's funny. So that is the title for that card, and then I'm gonna stamp the date, and that is it for this pocket page. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed, and check out my links below. Thanks. Bye.